Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to discuss where you would find your OBD2 connection on a 2016 Kia Optima. So first you would open up your door and you're going to come in here, and right here where it says the fuse and the OBD2, this is basically where your left knee would be when you're sitting inside the driver's seat. And you just pull this cover and this is your OBD2 right there. And that's where you would hook in your computer reader if you've got check engine light on and other codes, and this is where you read it and are able to do some information from that. And that's where you'd find your OBD2 on your Kia Optima. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.